Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the StrongLifts 5x5 program. StrongLifts 5x5, found at stronglifts.com/5x5, is a popular strength training program designed for beginners and those looking to build a solid foundation of muscle and strength. It revolves around a simple but effective principle: lifting heavy weights in a small number of compound exercises. The core of the program comprises just 5 exercises: squats, bench press, overhead press, barbell rows, and deadlifts. These movements are chosen for their effectiveness in working multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to overall strength and size gains. The program's structure is straightforward. You train 3 times a week, following a set schedule of alternating workouts A and B. Workout A consists of squats, bench press, and barbell rows. Workout B includes squats, overhead press, and deadlifts. Each exercise is performed for 5 sets of 5 repetitions, hence the name 5x5, with the exception of deadlifts, which are done for 1 set of 5 representatives. As you progress and get stronger, you add weight to the bar incrementally, usually 2.5 to 5 pounds at a time. This progressive overload principle is key to the program's success. By consistently challenging your muscles with heavier weights, you force them to adapt and grow. The program also emphasizes proper form and technique, which are crucial for both safety and optimal results. StrongLifts 5x5 is known for its relatively quick initial gains, making it a motivating choice for newcomers to weightlifting. The simplicity of the program also makes it easy to follow and stick to, which is a significant factor in achieving long-term fitness goals. While highly effective, StrongLifts 5x5 isn't without its nuances. The program's intensity can be demanding, and adequate rest and recovery are essential for avoiding plateaus and injuries. Furthermore, as you advance, the linear progression might slow down, requiring adjustments to the program. However, the program provides guidance and resources on how to deal with these plateaus, ensuring continued progress. Overall, StrongLifts 5x5 offers a structured and effective approach to building strength and muscle, particularly for beginners looking for a solid starting point in their fitness journey. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program.